Hello everyone. So this is the problem we are going to solve. So now here, when there are multiple enemy characters in the level, and if I get hidden, you can see there are two snapshots of the character which represents the last seen positions of both AI characters. So which is not very useful. See, now there are like multiple positions where they have seen me for the last time. So what I want to do is I want enemies, even if there are multiple enemies, I want to show only one last seen position visualizer, the most recent one, and that's the problem we are going to solve today. And before I get started, I'd like to remind you, you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects that I have done from the Patreon page. So once you become a member, you can download anything without a limit. To the date, there are closer to 2000 videos. For each video, you can access project files. And this tutorial is a part of action RPG with gameplay ability system series I am doing. You can watch all other episodes as well in the channel. I'll leave the link to the full playlist in the description below. Alright, now let's get back to today's episode. So here, let's go to the AI NPC, and here show last snapshot. This is the function that I spawn the silhouette of the character with the character mesh snapshot at that time the AI character see. So now, as I said, I want to have only one silhouette for the level even though there are multiple enemies. So what I can do is, here if we don't have a valid snapshot, last seen a snapshot actor reference here, before spawning I can do a check like this: get all actors, this get actor of class, and as the class I can use BP last. See, and if we get a valid result here, like this, we can simply set it with this variable. If not, we have to spawn, and then that's it. So if there is, wait, we need to set this. So if already there is a spawned character in the level, then that will be reused. Okay, so now let's try this. See, now even though there are multiple enemies, there is only one character snapshot at a time, so only the last position is considered, like that. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. So thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.